This is Coach Laudiaann, and I am here delivering strategies and tips on how to do stuff online. If you like my videos, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Coach Laudiaann, and I'm actually going to speak about a topic called spotting your freak factor. What makes you unique? And this is such a really good, valuable content. I need to share it with you because it actually helps you not to freak out, okay? And just be unique, just be yourself. All right. Let me read a little bit portion of this. Your freak factor is a quality that you're probably worried hard in your life to hide in hopes that no one will find out about you. Okay. Now, looking at that is fear. All right. And if you're doing that, stop it. Stop it. Okay. All right. You don't have to work so hard to hide the hopes that no one will find out about you. Um, you yourself is a unique quality. Okay. You have qualities already inside of you. God intended you to have qualities just the way you are. That's that's what makes you so different. That's what makes you so unusual. And at least people will know early in life. They already know your character, your personality. They know your likes. They know they know how you react, and usually those are your loved ones that know you very well. But guys, don't freak out. Don't act in fear when you're say you have a YouTube channel and you're freaking out because you never made a video. You don't have to have a panic attack. Just relax. You can actually start with your cell phone and record a recording first. You don't if you have a fear of people looking at you and you're wondering, oh my gosh, how am I going to make this video? I'm so worried about how people are going to think about me. Just my encouragement for you is to stop. Don't criticize yourself. All right, relax. Just be yourself. Be your unique you that God intended you to be. And what I've learned about being unique is that it made me make better videos, as a matter of fact. So, um, be the individual you, and the more you practice your unique qualities about you, very everything will just fall in place. Everything will be better for you. You won't be so worried. You actually, in the long run, you'll build self-confidence in yourself, and you're going to actually believe in yourself more. Okay, so um, that is my message for you today. This is another nugget that I wanted to just make a content. If you're afraid of doing something and you're wondering what other people are going to think about you, and what I think about you, for me to you, is that I see you as a unique individual. God intended you to be you yourself, and He loves you the way you are. And don't worry so much, He says, but love on yourself and be yourself, because that's how you're going to be successful, is relaxing and just focusing on making yourself a better person. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm Coach Laudiaann. If you're new to my channel, watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, and leave your likes, your comments, and watch out for my latest video that I will upload later. All right, See you guys. Talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.